Hey everyone, this is Nick Molina with Embrace Tutoring. In this video, we'll be covering number 15 from the non-calculator math section of the College Board Practice Test number 10. Remember, these videos provide additional explanations and content review, but you'll always want to attempt the problems independently. Before we begin, do us a favor and hit and subscribe with the link below to receive the most recent videos and practice problems. Okay, let's get started. For number 15 here, it says in the system of equations above, a is a constant. For which of the following values of a does the system have no solution? Okay. So first of all, the first thing it says it's a system of equations. All that means is it's more than one equation, and it tells us that there's no solution to this system. So that tells me that these two equations, whatever they are, never intersect. If they happen to have one solution, they would intersect once. If they happen to have an infinite many solutions, it would mean that the two functions are right on top of each other. Now, algebraically speaking, we're trying to see that these equations are never true because they never intersect. So let's take a look at our first one. We have negative 3x plus y equals 6. Now, if we're thinking graphically speaking, two lines that will never intersect have to be parallel. So parallel lines are two lines that have the same slope. And because they have the same slope, they'll never intersect. So what I'm looking for is what the slope of this line is. So if I add 3x to both sides, I get 3x plus 6, and I've identified that the slope of this line is 3. So now if I do the same thing with the next equation, I'm going to subtract ax from both sides. I get 2y equals negative ax plus 4. Then I have to divide everything by 2. I'm trying to get these equations into slope-intercept form so that I can interpret its slope. Okay, so now the slope here is the coefficient to x, which is negative a over 2. Now, because we know these have no solutions, it means that these two lines never intersect, which means that they have the same slope because they're parallel. So if I know the slope of the first one is 3 and the second one is a over 2, I know that they have to be the same in order for these two to have no solution or never intersect. So if I solve this for a, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. I get 6 equals negative a. Divide by negative 1. So a equals negative 6. So the value of a makes this system never intersect, which means it has no solution. And that's answer choice A. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this solution, or if you solve this one in a different way, please be sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.